Hi everyone. Today I'm going to discuss two simple yet very powerful tricks with you. One is about memorizing the order of traversals of nodes in different type of traversals, and the other one, which is pretty cool, is about quickly verifying your answer once you have completed the traversal. So let's begin. There are two broad categories of tree traversals: breadth first traversal and depth first traversal. Breadth first traversal can be done in a single way, which is called a level order traversal, and I'll not go into details of level order traversal because it is pretty simple. Depth first traversal, however, is a bit tricky and can be done in three different ways: pre-order, in-order, and post-order traversals. Let's suppose we have a tree with three different nodes. Here is the root, this is the left, and this is the right node of the tree. And for the pre-order, what will be the order of traversals? Well, you have to remember that these names pre, in, and post refer to the position of root at the final order. Pre means before, in means in between, and post means after. This is the location of root. Well, so in pre-order, root comes first, in order, root in the middle, and post-order, root at the end. Now we have determined the position of root. So what about left and right? Well, it is simple. Left always comes first and then the right. So the final order for pre-order traversal becomes root, left, right. Similarly, for in order, we know that root is in the center or in the middle. So left will come first and right at the last. And post order traversal, first left, then right, and then root at the last. This is the final ordering for all of these tree traversals. Now let's apply these traversals on this three node tree. So for pre-order, we know that the order of traversal is root, left, right. So the output becomes A, B, and C. Similarly, for in-order traversal, we need to traverse it like left, root, and right. This is the left, this is the root, and this is the right subtree. So the final output becomes B, A, C. And in case of post-order traversal, we know the order of traversal is left, right, and then root. So it becomes B, C, A. Now we have applied our traversal techniques on a three-node tree. Practically, this is not always the case, and you might have to traverse on a tree which contains more than three nodes. So what will you do in this case? Let's suppose we have to traverse this tree with 6 nodes. So in this case, you have to consider the left and the right subtree of the root nodes as the single nodes. For example, considering K as the root node, this is the left subtree and this is the right subtree. So you have to consider these two subtrees as single nodes so that you can generate a tree with 3 nodes. Now you can proceed in the order as we have discussed previously. In this video, we only discuss post-order traversal. But remember, if you build a good understanding of post-order traversal, you will be able to apply the others too as well. So what is the order of traversal in post-order traversal? Well, the word post means root is at the end. So the final order becomes left, right, and root. And we have to focus on the left subtree of K, which is to be considered as a single node. But this is not a single node, it contains 3 nodes. Now what do we have to do? Well, we have to apply the same post-order traversal order on this subtree. So what is the post-order traversal for this particular tree? Well, it is left, right, and root. So it becomes B, C, A. After completing this tree, we have to go to the right. Now right subtree contains only 2 nodes and there is no left node, but the order of traversing remains the same except the left, so we go as right and root, so our output becomes P O. And finally the root node comes at the end and we append the K with the output. Here comes the most exciting part of the video, which is how to verify your answer once you have completed the tree traversal. Well, you have to mark a flag adjacent to a node, and the position of the flag depends on pre, in, and post traversals. So what will be the position of the flag in each of these cases? Well, we have already discussed that pre means before, in means between, and post means at the end. So you have to mark the flags at the locations, this for pre, this for in, and this for post. In this case we have to verify our post order traversal, so we mark flags beside each of the node at positions indicated previously and proceed by drawing an anti-clockwise circle like this, passing as closely as possible from a node, and when we encounter a flag we have to verify our input. So here is the first flag and we can verify our output. Similarly the second flag and we verify our output. Then we proceed further and the third flag, fourth, fifth, and sixth, the last, and the root. So we verified our output to be correct. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, then subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. And if you want me to explain any topic of your choice, you can comment and put a request for explanation.